inside Google Analytics in your dashboard. So this is the plugin website, and you can see this is one of the famous plugin for the user. So this is best WordPress Analytics plugin. You can use it in your Google WordPress dashboard. So let's have a look at. Now I will click here and click here add new. Then here I will write monster inside. If you write the monster, then it will pop up as the first one. So I will click here activate. Already I have installed it. Now I will activate. Then I will click here launch the wizard. This is my publisher blog. So I will reconnect the monster inside in my with my Google Analytics account. So this is my Gmail with Google Analytics. Then I will click here allow. Then complete connection. So I will click also here save and continue, and they are asking me to add these WP forms. No need for now. So they have checked the website and they will add it. Just finish setup and exit wizard. Yes, launch setup wizard. I have already done this. So if I click here the dashboard, then I can see this already set up. So this is the pop-up you will see after you connect your Google Analytics with the monster inside. So no need to log in there, just use it from here. You can see lots of things. So this was for today. I will come up with a new plugin. I hope so.